MPE develop and manufacture high-performance EMC and EMP filters and capacitors within the industry.
We produce two kinds of filters here. The first is a compatibility filter. They solve EMC problems. That's where systems in close proximity to each other might interfere with each other's operation, and the filters ensure that that doesn't happen, especially in high performance critical applications. The other set of filters we produce are EMP protection filters. These are filters that protect critical installations from high power currents or a high surge of power. So that's the mainstay of what we produce here at MPE.
Main markets are defence, but we're seeing more industrial commercial applications. The products basically deal with the effects of electrical interference, electrical noise, stopping other electrical components working.
You might not know it, but the electric filters made in this factory on Knowsley Industrial Park, slightly east of the city of Liverpool, end up in defence and commercial applications across the world.
If we're thinking about high performance, high reliability applications, so anything where there's a critical infrastructure, in the defence world, that might be something like the Queen Elizabeth II aircraft carriers, it might be the Eurofighter aircraft. In the civilian world, we're thinking about commercial infrastructure, power utilities companies. Right at the WISI end, we have made something for the presidential secure comms system. That might see MPE filters on the likes of Air Force One.
During MPE's recent and remarkable growth story, it's doubled its revenue and was named as one of the top 10 growth organisations in the Northwest for its performance last year. While the coronavirus pandemic has been hugely challenging for many, MPE has flourished.
We went into COVID in a very strong position. We've always had a strong balance sheet. The fact that we're vertically integrated, we can make a lot of our components in-house, gives us a huge strength in that if we have an issue with one particular material, it's very easy for us to swap for another, stuff like that. We have the ability to hold large amounts of stock as well because, like I say, we're well financed.
I think there have been two factors. One is our expansion into new export territories. I think last year we exported to some 28 different territories around the world. The other significant change has been the fact that EMP used to be the sole domain of the defence world, whereas we're now seeing commercial industrial applications, critical infrastructure investing in that protection, the likes of power utilities companies, distribution, data centres, etc., all requiring the same filter protection that we have. So that's been a new market for us.
As the trend for higher current and higher power requirements continues, who knows how far this manufacturer could surge?